When severe weather strikes, it's the job of the National Weather Service to survey the damage and figure out what happened. Up until a few years ago, this was a very labor-intensive process.
Basically, we were manually documenting everything that we would see out there as far as the location, what direction the debris might have been blown.
But now there's an app for that. Technology may make life easier for the survey crew, but it still doesn't answer the big question. Was this damage caused by a tornado or something else? Luckily, there are clues left by the storm to answer that.
What is the shape and orientation of the damage area? If it's a long, slender damage area, that might suggest a tornado. If it's a broad or sort of a fan-shaped damage area, that might suggest a straight line wind event.
Once the Weather Service knows they're dealing with a tornado, they have to give that tornado a rating. Meteorologists can determine the strength of a tornado by using the Enhanced Fujita or EF scale. The scale looks at tornado damage to estimate the winds inside the storm, but perception is everything. So we also look at how well these structures are built to determine tornado intensity. That's where new technology really comes in handy to put the final pieces together.
We can take a picture of the damage. The GPS feature of the iPad will tell us exactly where we're located. We can then go through and find the correct damage indicator, the correct intensity of the damage, and then we'll get an expected wind speed that would have caused that damage.
Meteorologist Arnold, Local 24 News.